These are the houses in question. The housing project is the first for NAQIA approved by the NAQIA board in June 2011. NAQIA entered into a contract agreement with Lens Investment Limited on May 2012 to build 9 times 3-bedroom houses. Lens Investment Limited then subcontracted it to Adi Lee Architects, a Chinese-based company. The houses were to be completed within 6 months after the signing, but this did not eventuate. The delay has left the acting managing director for NAQIA, Joel Alu, with a lot of unanswered questions.
Three bidders. Maybe they may have been others, but according to the records that we have from Project Products, I think Atlas Steels plus this land investment bidded for the project, but land investment was out of contract. And then I think the documents show that the land investment further subcontracted I think Chinese-based company, according to the records. So the Chinese-based company has been importing materials from overseas, from Hong Kong or China, according to the records, and they've been constructing this. And most of this, as we can see, most of these materials are from overseas. When we have found public companies providing all these materials.
According to contract documents, the contract was signed at a total of 2.7 million kina. A down payment of 70%, that is 1.7 million kina, was made by NAQIA to Lens Investment Limited for the first shipment of building materials from Hong Kong. But we learned today from Acting Managing Director Joel Alu that 3 separate contracts were signed for just one project. There was an agreement between NAQIA and Genesis Construction for earthworks, and NAQIA also acquired labour costs from Lens Investment Limited, which NAQIA paid 371,250 kina. Mr. Alu says the initial agreement covers only supply and construction of houses and not labour. But the contractor's labour costs have inflated the total cost of the whole project to 3.9 million kina or more, he says.
There were 3 separate contracts, earth moving contract, labour contract and material contract. And according to the material contract, there's 2.7 million has been paid. And as we can see here, there's nothing very much we can see. The labour contract, according to our own sources again, is that NAQIA is paying the labour cost when we have already paid money up front. And for earth moving, I think we paid the upfront payment as